Okay, if any passer one, this starts from paper 2. Now let me need a calculator for it. So we have a trig identity. So show that sine 2x over 2 cos x minus sine x cos squared x is the same as sine cubed x. Right, so let's take our left-hand side and let's think of what we're going to do. Well, sine 2x, straight away, your brain should be saying formula sheet. Okay, cancel. Cancel. Okay, then we get to this point here. At this point here, you actually have two options, okay? So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to just draw a line. I'm going to take this bit, and I'm going to talk you through both of them. Okay, option one you might think about is you might say, well, there's a common factor, right? Let's take out the common factor and see if that's going to help me. Okay, so 1 minus cos squared, thinking, where have I seen that before? Well, there's an identity that we know, which is sine squared plus cos squared is 1. So therefore, sine squared is 1 minus cos squared x. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace that by sine squared, because they are in fact the same. And then sine x times sine squared x is our cubed x. As we wanted. Okay, so that's one way of doing it, is to take out a common factor and then say, oh, that looks similar to that trig identity of sine squared plus cos squared is 1. Bit of rearranging, sub in. Okay, second way to think about it, will still involve this identity, but just in a different way, is to say, right, well, we've got this cos squared, I don't want that. Okay, I don't want this cos squared, so how can I replace that by something involving sine? Again, the only thing we know involving sine and cos squared is that identity. So what is cos squared the same as? It is the same as 1 minus sine squared x. So we're going to replace that by that. I'm going to multiply it out. And you can see your first two are going to cancel each other out. So again, it gives you the answer that you want. So there's not always one set way to do trig identities, but the key thing is like, do I have information in my formula sheet? Yes. Really thinking about tan x is sin x over cos x, and sin squared plus cos squared x is 1.